Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're solving with variables on both sides. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples here. We got a 4x and 3x, so the variables are on both sides of the equal sign. And the way to counteract that is you can subtract or add something to both sides. So we're going to subtract the smaller of the two, the 3x. Let's subtract those from both sides, and you get like 1x plus 2 equals 5, and then it becomes an easy two-step equation. Just subtract 2 from both sides, or actually in this case just one step. Okay, so it's quickest to just let's start with the smaller coefficient, was -3. We can add 3x to both sides. Could also do something with the 4 and the 10 first, but it's quickest just to take care of the variables first. And we get 7x minus 4 equals 10. And then we add 4 to both sides. 7x equals 14, and one more step, divide by 7. And we get x equals 2 for this one. Okay, the next one looks much more challenging because of the surds, but it's not too bad. We can expand the brackets here, and we can simplify this as well. Okay, let's just start with this side. So that's going to be root 300 over 3 is going to be root 100. So it's actually just the same as 10 times 8c. And over here we're going to have 2 root 30, because root 5 times root 6 is root 30. Plus root 5 times root 5 is 5, so this is going to be a 5c. So then we got 2 root 30, and let's subtract 5c from both sides. And actually this is 80c. If you multiply that, 80c minus 5c is 75c. So then you have c is just simply 2 root 30 over 75. Okay, yeah, so we just divide both sides by 75. And of course you can get a decimal if you just use your calculator for that. Okay, next we have some more brackets. We're going to expand the brackets first. So you get 6x plus 6 equals 14x minus 14. And now we have variables on both sides. 6 is smaller than 14, so I'm going to do minus 6x on both sides. Then we get 6 equals 8x minus 14. Let's add 14 to both sides. And then we get 20 equals 8x divided by 8. I'm running out of room. This is x equals 20 over 8. And which simplifies to 5 over 2 if we divide the numerator and denominator by 4. Okay, so now the next couple are pretty straightforward. Let me just go over this number 4 here. And we have to be really careful. We cannot do 20 minus 3. We have to do the multiplying first, so this first. And don't forget this is a -3, so be very careful. That's where people go wrong. So this is 20, and this is minus 3x plus 3. And over here we have 20 minus 4x. And let's add 4x to both sides, because -4x is smaller than -3x. So I chose to do that first. Although it doesn't matter, you could do it the other way around. 20 plus 3, first of all, is 23. And this is -3x plus 4x is x. And over here you have 20. And then just one more step. We can subtract 23 from both sides, and we get x equals -3.